What are the prerequisites? How simple you are going to study this? And some of the resources I'm providing. Now, real-time full stack Django course. Our course name is real-time full stack Django course with free HTML, CSS, JavaScript. So you are getting HTML, CSS, JavaScript free of cost. Nice. For technical queries, you are from your side, you have any technical query, I'm giving a mail ID, ksrazupy@gmail.com. ksrazupy@gmail.com. Prerequisites Python basics. We are providing perfect placement assistance to you guys. Naresh Technologies giving not only training, unbelievable placement assistance. In this placement assistance, you guys are getting placed in topmost MNC companies as a full stack Python programmer or full stack Python web developer or full stack Django programmer. There are various names existed. Guys, you should remember one point. Python related all technologies are doing marvelous right now in the industry. Really, it is a great and nice time to you guys to do the things. The pleasant area, almost no solution for every technical level. I'm providing every solution through technical environment. But remember, Django level, easiest thing is you no need to write much code because Python power already you know, less lines of coding. Same Python, the strategy is Django is following. There is no big difference here. So this course is pure online with live examples. Oh my God. Understand every point before I'm going to enter into sessions. Real-time full stack Django course. For any technical query, mail ID provided. Prerequisites Python basics. We're providing perfect placement assistance. This course is pure online with live examples. Great. The sound is good. So now in depth, I'm providing Django core and advanced with the live use cases. Right now in the web environment, whatever live use cases are there, one login or validation or one registration, e-card, e-commerce or feedback related, whatever the forms related you people are going to be, you can. Okay. And the next one is here, Django interview questions, reviews, assignments, and mock interviews. This is really big one, guys. Django interview questions, reviews, assignments, mocks. These are really big one. Django certification information I'm providing, dumps I'm providing, how to complete Django certification I'm helping you guys. Resume preparation for freshers and experienced people, how to fill the gap if you're having any experience using Django, I'll help you that one. Total duration of the course, 50 to 60 days. Course timings, 9 p.m. to 10 p.m. Weekly 5 days. That means, of course, I'm giving Monday to Friday. Course fee with video sessions, without video sessions, we mentioned there. For this course, admin manager is Mr. Ramesh 95429 and 94289. This course is suitable to become a Python full stack web programmer. And you want to see Django training course contents, please visit http://nareshit.in.com Django training. For new batches information, you required any batch information which are going to start in Naresh Technologies, please go to nareshit.com/course schedule. The course schedule page contains all the courses which are starting in Naresh. Telegram link I provided. You have any technical discussion, please go to Telegram link. Feel like this is a physical class for you, All resources you are getting through Google Classroom, everything. PPTs we are giving, PDF files we are giving, interview questions, mock interviews, and study tutorials, video sessions, and whatever you require, resume preparation, experience level, fresher level, certification, writing, reviews, interview questions, whatever, assignments. All we are giving through Google Classroom. So Google Classroom is a perfect environment here. I think first 15 points perfectly understood or not, you can check it. Non-technical information is highly essential. 99% of you guys at the end of the session, you are questioning me, sir, how many days, course timing, what is a fee, who is the administrator for to contact. Same questions are coming generally. Where can I see the contents of this Django? Is there any Telegram group? How you are sharing the resources? These are the common questions I'm getting. That is a reason I wrote everything. What is your email address, sir? So I'm providing HTML, CSS, JavaScript is free of cost. I hope up to here, every non-technical information is pretty clear for you guys. Good. Now, in this demo session, I'm discussing some of the facts about the Python Django. Carefully, peacefully, try to understand each and every technical point which I am sharing with you. That is Python Django by me. I'm a data scientist and machine learning I'm teaching, including web environment. You are going to watch my videos, Django basics. I hope you know Google. Google is there. Just you can go to Google and type my name. And if that's it, you are getting unbelievable video sessions on Django by me. Definitely you are getting a lot of information about the Django basics. What is Django, why Django, how this Django is functioning, how much Python code we are writing, like this, many details already provided in this area. So you guys need to understand that. So definitely Naresh IT channel, you are getting my a big list of video sessions. Please try to understand those video sessions. Hope you guys getting all these resources perfectly. Anyway, so come down without any delay. I'm entering into demo session 1. And yes, what is Python? Many of you guys already having a perfect idea about this. Once again, I no need to discuss with you. Once again, I'm giving my ideas to join Django. Python basics or prerequisites. Already Python knowledge is there, well and good. Otherwise, parallelly also you can try to do Python and Django. There is no issue. But without Python knowledge, never try to sit in Django class. There is no use. I hope in the demo session, I'm speaking openly whatever the resources you people require. In the demo session time, I'm speaking openly. There is nothing to hide here. Everything open. Python is an interpreted, excellent, high-level general purpose programming language created by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. According to my experience in Python, this is one of the perfect definition about the Python. I can say now one point in the software industry as a real-time guy, almost I'm having 23 years of experience in the real-time industry. In my 23 years of experience in the real-time industry, I never ever see Python-like technology, Python-like simplicity, Python-like flexibility, Python-like compatibility. Python is really ultimate technology for every client business requirement. There is a business requirement, there is a solution in Python. There is a client, there is a clarity with Python. There is a question and there is an answer with Python. Guys, understand all these words more and more perfectly in a simplified manner. So finally, Python is an interpreted high-level general purpose programming language created by Guy Van Rossum and released in 1991. So Python is a very important core component to your Django. Okay, nice. Right? Why web development? Many of you people may be questioning this. What is the need of web development? Yes, 2019 onwards, we are in pandemic. Physical world completely closed. There exactly virtual world perfectly open, fully open virtual world. Really, you can think, my dears, web is not there. What is going to happen in the world? I no need to say the point, because sincerely you are attending all the these demo sessions or Django sessions, you will get an idea, because that to 9 to 10 session you are coming means hats off to your interest. First of all, you came for pure subject, 100% satisfaction guarantee, and placement assistance also perfectly we are providing. Django having huge list of job opportunities right now in the market in all the areas. To get those jobs, definitely you want to become a full stack Python programmer. Django is one of the best areas and suitable areas. Why Django only better? Why not other technologies or other frameworks or other libraries? What is inside Django? Why that much popularity is there? Why companies are preferring nowadays more Django related projects? So like these words, before I'm going to explain, and I need to provide why web development. So many real worlds I wrote here. In today's world, there are multiple choices to promote your business or skills and share your ideas. The trend of creating new website as a tool of business development is rapidly gaining momentum around the world. Oh my God. In today's world, there are multiple choices to promote your business or skills and share your ideas. So understand all these things clearly in a simplified manner, guys. Reaching out to your audience, 24/7 accessible global marketing. Yeah. Really having web related applications, websites, and definitely it is a big award, my dears. Who are maintaining web related resources, who are maintaining websites or web applications, definitely they are doing best in the industry. I made already the point. In today's world, there are multiple choices to promote your business and skills and share your ideas. You are talented. Now, very simple. Take a video and drop in the Facebook or drop in the YouTube. If you're really talented, within seconds, your name will be all over the world. You will overnight, you will become a, what should I say? You become a legend. You become a celebrity overnight. So nowadays, around the world, you want to do any kind of publicity. Web is one platform, 24/7, all over the world accessible. So what is web? Collection of electronic resources is called web. What I said? Collection of electronic resources is called web. In this web environment, there are many wonders existed. Every wonder existed here, right? Why use Python for web development? Why use Python for web development? Why we are using? First point, Python is dead easy. 10 lines Java code is equal to just offline in Python. Dynamically, we can build web applications by using Python because it is a server-side programming. More functions with lesser code. Yes, Python having huge list of functions. These functions making Python more flexible and simple. Perfect language for building prototypes. Yes, any kind of samples you want to prepare, those samples in easy manner we can able to prepare. Great flexibility. What is the meaning of flexibility? Flexibility is nothing but any operating system, any device, any platform, any kind of technology. There is a flexibility with this Python. A lot of useful frameworks. Whatever the frameworks existed right now in the IT industry, in that maximum frameworks are related to Python. Undoubtedly, Python is world #1 programming language. Provides quick processing. Yes, correct. Where we are writing less lines of coding, they're definitely quick. Less time taking, less errors you are getting, more quality you are getting. Less lines leading to less errors. Less errors leading to more quality. More quality leading good productivity. Good productivity leading good feedback. So what purpose we are working in the software industry? And how simple to work with Python, this is really a great achievement if you are selecting Python. So finally, why we are using for Python for web development? Python is easy, dynamically builds web apps, more functions, less code, perfect language for building prototypes, great flexibility, a lot of useful frameworks provide quick processing, right? Nice. Oh, we are entering into the frameworks level. What is a framework? How many types of frameworks are there in Python? What exactly meaning of web application framework or web framework? How these are functioning perfectly? Guys, before I'm going to start a framework definition, I think my audio, video is everything clear for you. I think you are enjoying my every point, whichever I'm delivering to you. Is there any doubt? Please, once you can try to ping in the chat box, or shall I move forward? Do you have any question for me? At the end of the session, I'll take all your questions, my dears. Please don't worry. Oh, 100% my voice, video, audio clear. You're enjoying. Thank you. Really fine. As remaining members. Oh, you can proceed, sir. Okay. Come on, remaining members. I'm waiting for your messages in the chat box. Great words. I'm listening from you guys. In this late evening, also you people are getting that kind of motivation and intention to learn a great Python framework is called Django. And you will become a Django Python programmer, full stack web developer to do great things in the world. Definitely. What is a framework? What is a framework? A framework is a platform. A framework is a platform to develop applications more effectively. To develop applications more effectively within the less time. So understand what is a framework? Framework is a platform to develop software applications more effectively in a simplified manner. But there are different types of frameworks are there in software industry. There are scientific related frameworks available, web frameworks available, Windows frameworks available. There are many other frameworks existed. Fortunately, Windows frameworks are very popular in the industry. What is that? I said already, a framework is a platform for developing software applications. It includes code libraries, a compiler and other programs. So web application framework, it is a software framework that is designed to support the development of web applications, including web services, web resources, web APIs. Okay. So what is web application framework? It is a software framework that is designed to support only web development purpose. Nowadays, my dears, web having huge opportunities. So if you are believing web, definitely you are getting great opportunities in the web environment. Even nowadays, if you are getting a job also, happy work from home option you can select. Before this COVID, very few people are working from home, but nowadays 90% people, they're getting benefit. Yes, you can work anywhere in the world remotely. We are paying to you. So learn from your home, work from your home. Oh, super no, my dear. Because of this web, all these facilities possible. Finally, so web application framework is there to develop web applications more effectively in a simplified manner. Okay, good. In Python, what are the web frameworks available? Yes, I said already about Python very clearly some words. Python having big list of frameworks. Big list of frameworks. In Python environment, whatever the frameworks existed, one type of frameworks are web related frameworks. These web frameworks are mainly classified into two types: micro web frameworks, full stack web frameworks. Micro web frameworks, full stack web frameworks. What is a micro web frameworks? A framework which is giving a chance to develop a web application by taking third-party backend. So there, the bumper hit framework right now in the industry from Python is Flask. Flask. Flask is one of the beautiful and powerful framework from Python, which is really awesome. In Django, I'm going to discuss with you even Flask sessions also. Introductory part of the Flask also I'll provide you. You know Django perfectly. Other frameworks are very simple. If you know Django perfectly, other frameworks are very simple. So Bottle, CherryPay, Falcon, etc. Full stack web frameworks. What is a full stack meaning? Where front end, back end existed, that is called full stack. A front end is notating, or a front end is indicating client side. A back end is indicating server side. Please, people, try to understand clearly what terms I'm using. A front end is nothing but a client side, a back end is nothing but server side. So in this full stack environment, Django is more and more powerful, which is the full stack environment area, and Django related web applications are very powerful, well secured. Okay, finally, Python web frameworks are classified into two types. One is micro, another one is full stack web frameworks. Micro level leading is Flask, full stack level leading is Django. Oh, excellent. Now I'm entering into choosing a better framework. The world of Python web frameworks provides lots of choices. Some of the prominent frameworks to consider: Django, Flask, Bottle, Diesel, Web2Py, a lot of names are there. But how to select? So from these many frameworks, how can I know which framework is the best framework, which is giving more fruits to us, which is simplified to develop? Like this many questions you are. So in all those questions level, my answer very simple. That is only Django, because Django is really doing wonderful job with Python with less lines of coding. So definitely Django related environments, definitely ultimate. So finally, I'm coming to what is Django. Before I'm coming to Django, I'm giving some more truths, whatever, where I started the things, what are the points I discussed so far. Let me recall once again. I started with Python. I started with Python. What is Python? I think everybody knows. I know that very well. You guys having good awareness about the Python, because you guys having that capability. You know about the power of Python. So this word I'm giving always to you guys, because Python is that much simplicity, and Python is that much easiest related things. And you people need to understand all these points very clear. So whenever we are coming that, Python is one of the best programming languages in the software industry, undoubtedly. After that, I entered into Python after I entered into why web development. What should I say? Why web development means what should I say? In today's world, there are many things in the web. But one point I can say, web is an excellent platform to share our resources globally. Within the less time, we'll get more name in the web. 24/7, reaching all you people. Global marketing possible here. Why we select Python for web development? I made already several points related to that. Selecting Python for web really a big rocking word, because Python easy, that is a bigger benefit here. And dynamically we can build web applications because it is a dynamic programming, and more functions. We are having very less lines of coding. That means of simple lines of coding is there, and perfect language for building prototypes. Great flexibility. This word is, I don't know how many you people are getting the words very clearly. Great flexibility. A lot of useful frameworks nowadays in Python level. Whatever the frameworks existed, no other technology contains these many frameworks. Lot of useful frameworks, not one or two. Provides quick processing, really good and great and simplified things. All these are, and quick processing is there, right? Great. What is a framework and how many types of frameworks are there? Framework is nothing but, framework is a platform to develop software applications effectively, efficiently in a simplified manner. What is web application framework? It is a software framework that is designed to support the development of web applications, including web services, web resources, and web APIs. So web application framework is that one. So very simple and more powerful in a simplified manner, and in simplification manner. So finally, a web framework is more powerful from Python. So in Python, web frameworks are mainly classified into two types. What that one? Micro web frameworks, full stack web frameworks. A micro web framework is nothing but without any kind of backend, means third party backend we are taking, but remaining all are same. Flask is the leading. And full stack environment level, what available? Front end and back end. Front end level, client side. Back end level, server side. There's a leading one is Django is nowadays ultimate things it is doing. Choosing a better framework. Whenever we are going to select a framework, a lot of things come into accountable. A lot of parameters we are going to select in the real-time companies. According to those parameters, 100% the best framework is Django. It is meeting all the standards. So what are the standards it is meeting? How simple it is meeting? How the rules we are going to follow? Definitely practically we can try to observe in upcoming days. Now I am entering into what is Django. So I am coming to our point of answer. You people are eagerly waiting for this. What is Django? First of all, is it Django or Mango? Some people are ready to ask me why these names are Django name. What is there behind that? Some people calling Django, some people calling Django. So which one is correct, first of all? So there are many doubts existed with you guys. I know that very well. But for all your doubts, I can say only one point. Never call as a Django, call as Django. Django is a popular guitarist in United States of America. So Django is not something. Django is the name of a popular guitarist in United States of America. And who developed actually web framework? Those people dedicated this web framework to Django because they are the lovers of guitar. Later, this web framework name is renamed as Django. His name is actually Django Reinhardt. I'll show you. Django Reinhardt. So these people, they dedicated to this guitarist called Django. So finally, I'll show you all these things practically. Don't worry. Zari is giving only theoretically all these things. No, no, no. 1-2 days, what is what you people need to understand. You people need to feel first comfort. What is existed here? What exactly we are going to learn? What is a new framework here? How this new framework is helping me to get a great job. Like that, first you people need to understand. For that purpose, 1 or 2 days minimum to minimum theory sessions are mandatory. After that, I'll enter into practical. That time I'll show you what exactly the meaning of Django. Right. Now I'm entering into the first definition. It is Python's MVT web framework. Oh, super name. It is Python's MVT web framework. Oh, model view template. Oh, great. Model view template. Maybe you heard the name MVC, model view controller. Don't confuse anybody. Once a practical session started, 100% you people will understand. That is my guarantee. Don't worry, don't be hurry. Perfectly try to listen. Okay. So it is Python's MVT web framework. What is a model? What is the view? What is a template? Guys, already I made one point very clearly. My videos existed in Naresh IT channel. You have any question, please try to follow that. Happily, you can try to follow that. You will get more information. Model representing database backend. View representing logical part where we are writing Python. T template is nothing but a UI part where we are going to visualize the things. So model view template, model representing backend database, view representing logical part where we are writing Python coding. T is the template where we are going to see the user interface part is nothing but template. So finally, it is Python's MVT web framework. What is Python? You know already. MVT explained. Web, just now I said collection of electronic resources. What is framework? Framework is a platform. Once again. So I'm giving very clearly the words here, correctly understand. Python is a programming language. MVT, model view template. Web is a platform or a collection of electronic resources. Framework is a platform to develop software applications quickly in a simplified manner. So these 4 words correctly, if you are going to use it, and a Python unbelievable definition will come related to Django. So correctly understand the terms. After that one, it is a free open source full stack Python web framework. Open source full stack. I hope you need to understand. Another one, it is a free open source web application framework written in Python. Who is maintaining this one? Django Software Foundation people existed. They are maintaining. You know, even Python also, who is maintaining Python? Maybe you are having idea Python level. There is a Python group also available. PSF, Python Software Foundation. Same like the DSF, Django Software Foundation. So those people are maintaining. It makes it easier to build better web applications more quickly with less code. Oh my God. So they are giving, already made the point very clearly here. Python simplicity is nothing but less lines of coding. The same simplicity applicable to even Django also. So finally, one definition perfectly you can come to know it. That is called, it is Python's MVT web framework, or easier to build better web applications more quickly with less code. So this is about your Django definition. Whichever the definition you want to select, you can select and you can follow it. So now I'm moving to after Django, after the next one. What is the history of Django? As per Django terminology, how simply we people are going to use it. Okay, so we'll come back. And if you want to say what is the history of Django, a lot of the lines we need to understand here. Before we are going to understand a lot of the lines, and I can say one thing, because some people late entry, and for late coming people, what are the non-technical information you require? Please, real-time full stack Django course, including HTML, CSS, JavaScript free sessions. For technical queries, my mail ID provided. Prerequisites, Python basics. We are providing perfect placement assistance to you on Django. So this course is pure online completely. So what I'm discussing with you, in-depth core and advanced Django, Django interview questions, reviews, assignments, marks, Django certification information, dumps, everything. Resume preparation for freshers and experienced people, total duration of the course timings, weekly, course fee, and administrative manager for that one, 95429, 94289. This course is suitable to become a great full stack Python programmer where you are getting 100% excellent salaries. And nareshreddy.com, Django training area, contents available. For new batches information, to join in the Telegram, all resources perfectly we are sharing through Google Classroom. Please understand the point very clearly. Some of the facts I discussed with you in today's session. Okay, what are the facts I discussed? Already you people knows very clearly, and almost every point and everything I'm making very clear in a simplified manner from my PPT. I think every point you understood perfectly. Correct? Your chat box is enabled. Do you have any questions? Please, you can ask me any technical query. I'm ready to answer from my side. Hi guys, come on quickly. You can ping any question in the chat box. And you people really doing great and nice. And yes, we are providing introductory part. Actually, REST API completely separate batch I'm taking. Ravi, not Ravi, and who is, yes, I'm getting Ravi. Completely I'm taking separate batch. And REST API introductory part I'm giving in this one. Yes, just basics enough, Naveen. Yes, we are providing even gap people. Yes, included Django API in the REST API level included. It is a pure Django batch. Yes, we are giving database. Post Praj. Yes, after Django, I am going to start that one, Trupti. Sir, what about placement? We are providing. Yes, you can do happily. If you're a degree student, also can do Dilip, no problem. Yes, Komesh, you can tell me. Completed happily, you can do it. Thank you. Thank you for attending such a great session. In this session, some outlines I discussed about the Django. In the next session, some more realities I'll discuss about the Django. You have any technical query, anything is there in the Django related, Python related, framework related, please question me in the chat box. I am ready to answer. Who doesn't have any question? Thank you guys. Like you everyone. Really great. You enjoyed a nice session. Thank you. Right. So I'm giving all non-technical information very clearly here. Please observe total duration of the course. Please observe. Because everything I provided very clearly. It means they're only cover. Yes, cover. Truptik, 100% I'm covering Django and Flasco introductory part, REST API introductory part. Yes, we are providing Naidu and in Naresh Shetty channel available. You can go through that. Yes, available separate batch HTML I'm giving free of cost, and that is there. 4 p.m. you can try to attend the things. So full stack.NET course is running and CSS. You can attend happily, no problem. What is the course duration? Already I've given Shruti, and fifth point you can observe. Yes, Dilip. Yes, definitely Santosh Reddy. Thank you. Good night. Yes, full stack web development, Redmi Note 9. Just basics enough, Tukaram. Yes, Shruti, for point number 5, we can observe 50 to 60 days. Yes, I am providing Mohan. Yes, very useful, Kesav. Database is nothing but backend. Django full stack is nothing but Python plus our course. Same timing, Abhishek. No change. Yes, Bharat, you can join happily. Thank you. Good night. Bye-bye. Yes, you can. Manohar. Yes, available Naidu. You can go to Naresh Reddy channel. Definitely you can do it. Manish Shankar. Depends, Santosh. Yes, you are getting. Harish. Yes, Ravanti. I'll give that separate link to you. Better that is Venkat. I'm giving. Yes, I'm starting as soon as possible. Sai. Project I'm providing. Thank you, everyone. All questions I answered perfectly. Thank you. Good night, everybody. Catch you people tomorrow sharp 9 p.m. Django API is available. REST API available. Both are existed. Thank you. Thank you. Bye-bye, everyone. Catch you people tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll discuss more resources with you. Any question available, please follow this. You are getting more information. Come on, everyone. HTML, CSS batch already started. Yes, we are going to. Anil. What is Krishna? My administrative manager will take care. Don't worry. It will start. Anil. Don't worry. All the things perfectly will provide you. Don't be hurry. Don't get any tension. Be peaceful. Be happy. Be practical. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Good night. Himu, do it, no problem. Happily, you can do it. You will get a great placement, Himu. Very good. Thank you. Bye-bye. Sagar. Good night, everyone. Any more technical questions, please ping in the chat box. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Come on, come on. You want to interact with me, you can try to interact also. REST API basics included, Shravanti, complete course not, because REST API is a not small thing to discuss with you. It takes minimum 1.5 months. This is 2 months. Total course, then it will take 3.5 months. I'm ready to discuss, but it takes a lot of time. That is the reason separately we are teaching, Shravanti. Django, enough, more than enough. I think Shravanti, you understood. Yes, my videos available. REST API videos you can try to watch on JSON, JavaScript object notation. Enough, Srikant, more than enough. Just basics enough. Thank you, everyone. Catch you tomorrow. Any more questions are there? Please ping here. Bye-bye. Good night. Come on, any more technical queries? Enough. Redmi Note 9. Enough. What is your name? Django. Perfect knowledge is there. We can do wonderful web things. Naveen. Naveen. Yes, Santosh. Yes, SQL we are giving. Yes, that is a free of cost. You are getting Naga Anjali. Already I made the point very clearly. Come on, remaining. Yes, Dilip, no problem, no issue. Anyone, no problem. VS Code, no problem. PyCharm, Jupyter, no issue. Anywhere you can. Whichever everybody likes, I'm providing that. General, I'm using PyCharm. Come on, remaining. Thank you. Good night, Naganjali. Bye-bye. Only Python. Enough. Thank it. You no need to attend all. Just Python. Come on, everyone. Thank you. Rohini, will start soon. Definitely, Santosh. Depends on your work. Whatever I'm teaching correctly, you need to practice. You will do marvelous things. Practice your asset. Practice is your asset, Santosh. Come on, remaining members, technical doubts. Any more technical doubts are there? Please question me. No technical doubts. Thank you. Good night. No technical doubts. Good night. Thank you. Yes. Yes, Naveen. Try to watch my videos from Naresh Reddy channel. You'll get an idea. Yes, definitely, Siddhartha. Very good, Srikanth. Just a basic son of Rohit. After that one, rest tape you are getting, separate batch Venkat, completely. Introductory part you are getting. Rest tape introductory part you are getting, definitely. But completely not you are getting. Rest tape separate batch completely. Come on, remaining members. Any questions?